How do I fix Brookhaven not working on Roblox?
Hello, Roblox enthusiasts! If you're encountering issues with the Brookhaven game not working, don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps that should help you get back into the game as soon as possible. Remember, persistence is key when it comes to troubleshooting. Let's dive in.
Are Roblox servers down?
First and foremost, we need to verify if the issue is on your end or Roblox's end. If Roblox servers are down, then you won't be able to play any game, including Brookhaven. To check the server status, you can visit Roblox's official social media channels like their Twitter account or look for updates from the Roblox community online. They usually post updates if there's a large-scale server issue.
Is your internet connection stable?
Sometimes the issue could be as simple as an unstable internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. If other devices are experiencing similar issues, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider, ISP.
Are you running the latest version of Roblox?
It's important to keep your Roblox app up to date. Older versions might contain bugs or compatibility issues, which could be the cause of your problem. To make sure you're using the latest version, uninstall the Roblox app and then reinstall it from the official store, App Store, Google Play, etc.
Is your device compatible?
Roblox has certain system requirements. If your device doesn't meet these requirements, it may struggle to run Brookhaven or any other Roblox game. To verify this, check the system requirements on the official Roblox website and compare them to your device's specifications.
Clearing Roblox temporary files.
Over time, Roblox accumulates temporary files on your device that might lead to issues. Clearing these temporary files often helps to fix any in-game issues. The process will differ depending on whether you're using a PC, a mobile device, or a console, so make sure to follow the right steps for your device. We hope this guide helped you figure out why Brookhaven might not be working on your Roblox. Remember, troubleshooting is all about trying different potential solutions until you find the one that works. If you've tried all of these and you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact Roblox support directly. Happy gaming!